lie, say I'm natural, and everyone can be worse off. Peace. Alright guys, this guy's making everyone trolled. And
this guy?
yeah. Hey guys, I was just talking about how my quads are sore from that workout you guys saw, but I'm popping in this video just a little randomly here. And currently what I want to touch on and just inform you guys is that YouTube is demonetizing my channel for bringing you guys the content about, like, I don't even know what to say now because I'll probably get striked again, but basically anything I've uploaded since to test out is automatically demonetized. And I know everyone's had this problem. I've had this problem previously, but like just when I started making content that I really love and you guys love, the video got like 3,000 views in a day. And that's the most views I've ever had on a non-eating related video. And YouTube is punishing me. So in that video, I talked about, you know, if you want to have certain procedures done, it's legal, and then, you know, it's just all controversial, it's all triggering, it's crazy, and there's nothing you can do about it. So unfortunately, I have to choose between allowing myself to get monetized, which is basically being paid for my time investment into the videos, and disappoint you guys and myself, or make no money and provide the content I love that you guys will watch. The obvious answer to me is just to keep providing the content and just say fuck YouTube, honestly. And I understand it's not really their fault, it's the advertisers, but they're a little sketchy when they say we found unsuitable content in this video, and then anything you post after, it could be a video of just eating chicken, anything you post is controversial and will automatically not be monetized until I guess they decide to pull you off whatever watch list or anything you're on. So it's definitely something I wanted to inform you guys on. I put a screenshot or a video of what you guys could see there. But yeah, so it's crazy. It's just crazy that the censorship is so real. I mean, at least they're not pulling videos down, which would be the next level. But frustrated because we don't do it for the money, but when you get money for doing it, it becomes part of your process, it becomes part of your plan, your expectations, and it's part of what you do. And then when that's removed, it's demotivating because it's actually like they're taking from you for you continuing to do what you're doing. So it's like they're doing a worse job because now you don't make money. So it's unmotivating and it's bullshit, and I'm just letting you guys know what's happening. So I will try to be myself because it makes me and the viewers, you guys, happier. You guys, and I think we all get more out of that. I can be myself and you guys can learn from it, or I can just lie, say I'm natural, and everyone can be worse off. Peace. All right guys, what's up? Wrist is still in wrist mode, brace mode, whatever. And something I didn't really tell you guys is that I had a little mishap with some camera gear. So I'm gonna open this from Mac Warranty. I sent this out about 10 days ago and now it's here, so I'm gonna show you what's inside. They hopefully fixed it, or I'm just gonna get super trolled and open up a broken part. And this is the moment of ultimate truth. If you guys buy some camera gear and they have Mac Warranty, I'm gonna tell you right now if it's worth it. So apparently this is me, and this little nick is just from a dumbbell, so it's no big deal. But what was happening was, guys, is this hood, I would spin it to pull it off, and this part of the lens was detached. So this right here, where this line is, right where the scissors are pointing, that was loose, and when I went to put the hood on, like, it was just a disaster, and it was letting light in. It was really sad. I felt really bad for this lens. This lens was a lot of money, and I've been just using it for everything because I love it. And I'm gonna put it on and show you guys now what you've been missing out on, but I do have to be a little more careful with this. But you guys seem to like the content without it. So let's get back to this. This is what you saw with the old one. Now we got that new-ish. Yes! All right, let's see if my cats like it. Yeah, this is our living room right now, believe it or not. I sent Kayla. Rocco. Rocco! Don't kill me. Do not kill me. Rocco! Hey! Give me that. Come here. Come here. Excuse me, who are you? This big kiss. What are you doing, Rainbow? You're so adorable. You're so adorable. You're so adorable. Let's go for a walk. Hi. Hi. Hi, this little puppy. There's a little puppy. Hey, come here. Oh yeah. Hi. Baby, don't you. You want cuddles after you fucking trolled me? Baby, don't you? Hey, want the ball? You don't want any? Come. Good boy. It's a GoPro. It's a GoPro. You want to sit? You are huge. Then I would cry. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Don't you. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Don't you. Accordion skin. Say bye. Say goodbye. That's a wrap. That's a wrap, they say. Come here. Sometimes you just need a hug, right? Hugsies. Yeah.
cinnamon roll Halo Top. It has pieces of cinnamon roll, and it kind of reminds me of a cookie dough texture.
Best Halo Top you've had?
I could say that for sure.